dramatic black and white background in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. But if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Today I'm excited to show you how to create a dramatic black and white background using CapCut Mobile. So first, what you have to do is open your CapCut and then choose a new project. Now, once you've selected the project, you go to filters and then you search for the mono filter and search for the black and white. However, if you don't have the paid version of CapCut, the black and white filter is not available. So what you can do is go to your Snapchat, just tap on edit video, and then here you can look for the black and white filter. So swipe until you find the black and white filter. So once you found the black and white filter, just tap on send to and then download the video. Now, once you've downloaded the video from Snapchat, you can go to new project and choose the video. And now for another video, tap on overlay, add overlay and choose the original video. And what you want to do is fit the screen and then search for remove BG option. Find the remove BG option, tap on it and tap on chroma key and then choose the parts where you want to remove the original and bring black and white. Increase the intensity. There you go. You have added dramatic black and white background in CapCut. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and like our video. I'll see you in the next one.